Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills, is situated in East Central Africa. Rwanda shares borders with Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The country has become a model for economic reforms and effective governance. Rwanda offers 100% foreign ownership in most sectors, facilitating international investment. No minimum capital requirement for standard companies simplifies the business formation process in Rwanda. Fast online registration streamlines company formation, enhancing efficiency and accessibility. In Rwanda, various company types can be established to suit different business needs. The private limited company, limited, is the most common choice for both local and foreign investors. Branch offices are suitable for foreign companies seeking direct expansion, while representative offices facilitate market research and liaison activities. The initial step in company registration involves selecting a unique business name and confirming its availability on the Rwanda Development Board (RDB) online portal. Following name selection, the preparation of incorporation documents is required, including passport copies of directors and shareholders. Additional required documents include the Memorandum and Articles of Association, along with the company registration forms, which can be submitted online through the RDB portal for potential same-day registration. Upon approval, a company receives a certificate of incorporation and a business registration number. Companies must register for taxes, TIN number, with the Rwanda Revenue Authority to legally commence commercial operations. A corporate bank account must be opened, adhering to specific documentation and minimum deposit requirements. Rwanda's corporate taxation includes a corporate income tax of 30%, a VAT of 18%, and a progressive personal income tax up to 30%. Dividends are subject to a withholding tax of 15%. Special incentives are available for businesses operating in export processing zones, manufacturing, ICT, and tourism development sectors. Rwanda features diverse tourist destinations including national parks, forests, lakes, and modern cities. Volcanoes National Park is home to endangered mountain gorillas, offering unique trekking experiences. Akagera National Park provides a classic savanna landscape and is home to the Big Five. Forming a company in Rwanda provides access to Africa's growing markets. Rwanda offers a unique blend of business opportunities and rich cultural experiences. The synergy between business and tourism enhances Rwanda's appeal to entrepreneurs. Meenysa International assists global businesses in expanding into African markets. Rwanda company formation services include assistance with name search and registration. Services also encompass document preparation, filing, corporate bank account opening, and tax registration. Prior to incorporation in Rwanda, research regulations specific to the target sector. A clearly defined business model is necessary for compliance and strategic planning. Verify the availability of the desired company name through online searches. Assess the necessity of appointing a local director or representative for banking operations. Determine if a local representative is required for licensing procedures. Consulting professional advisors can help navigate complex requirements and prevent incorporation delays. Rwanda is a business-friendly destination designed to support global business expansion. Rwanda offers a stable, fast, and transparent incorporation process for various business types. Contact information is provided to facilitate company formation inquiries in Rwanda.